Imagine going to the doctor and there's no doctor, just a screen, an AI. Would you trust it with your life? So here's the big question we're asking today. Can AI actually replace your doctor? Let's find out. AI in healthcare isn't some distant future thing. It's happening right now. In 2026, the FDA has authorized more than 1,500 AI-powered medical tools. Most of them are in radiology, the field that reads X-rays, MRIs, and body scans. AI systems can look at a medical image and spot a tumor, a fracture, or a blood clot, sometimes before a human doctor would catch it. That's not hype. That's genuinely impressive. AI can also predict whether a patient might get sick before they even feel symptoms by reading patterns across thousands of patient records faster than any human ever could. Imagine one dermatologist seeing 100,000 skin conditions during their career. An AI can learn from all of them and diagnose skin cancer with accuracy that matches board-certified specialists. Okay, so AI is powerful. But here's where it gets interesting. Medicine isn't just about data. When you walk into a doctor's office, something happens that no algorithm can fully replicate. A human being pays attention to you. They notice your voice shaking. They notice you're nervous. They notice when something just doesn't feel right. They ask the follow-up question you needed, even if you didn't ask for it. The American Psychological Association put it plainly. AI can mimic empathy. But mimicking empathy is not the same as having it. And there's something else. Your health isn't just biology. It's shaped by where you live, how you sleep, whether you feel safe at home. A good doctor connects all of that together. That's not pattern matching, that's judgment. So here's the honest answer. AI probably won't replace your doctor, but it is already changing what doctors spend their time on. Instead of spending hours typing notes or manually reviewing thousands of scans, AI handles the repetitive work. That frees your doctor to do the one thing only a human can do: actually be present with you. Think of it this way. AI is the most powerful diagnostic tool doctors have ever had, but tools don't replace the person using them. Imagine waiting 8 years for an answer and getting one in minutes. By 2030, researchers predict AI could help diagnose rare diseases, the kind that currently take 4 to 8 years to identify, in a matter of minutes. For millions of people stuck waiting for answers, that could change everything. So, can AI replace your doctor? Not yet. Not fully. And honestly, maybe not ever. But working together, AI and human doctors might be the most powerful combination medicine has ever seen. If this got you thinking, hit like. It genuinely helps more people find this. Subscribe to Curious Minds Lab so you never miss the questions worth asking. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. Next time, we're asking, should students use ChatGPT? If you're curious what's next, YouTube's picked another Curious Minds Lab video you might enjoy right here. I'll see you there.